Hello there and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I am doing another disaster video. If you watched my previous videos, you'll see that I lost a lot of footage when I recorded some of my soap videos, and this is one of the soaps that had lost all of its footage. So I had to actually record this separately for just trimming the bars because I lost the making and the cutting footage. This is spiced orange. It smells really good. It smells basically like the name says. It has a very, warm orange citrusy fragrance, and there's definitely spices in there. It just smells really good. Has sort of a holiday fragrance a little bit to me, I think. It definitely reminds me of the holidays and baking, and it just smells really fresh but very warm and familiar as well. So I made this with an in the pot swirl. I used red and a yellow, and I poured them together and into the same pot and then poured it into the mold. Then I swirled the top with the metallic gold and let it set up overnight, and then I cut it, and this is me trimming the bars. So unfortunately all the other footage was lost, but I did manage to capture this. I hope you liked the video despite the lost footage. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. I will be uploading every Monday and Thursday, and these soaps will be available December 1st in my Etsy shop, and I'll leave all the links below. So have a great day and thank you for watching.